everyone, my name is Anggraeni. I'm grade in 9C. I come from Junior High School 1 Panda. Here we will make a tutorial on how to make an all-around container. Tools and materials. First, plastic bottle. 2. Foam sheet. 3. Cardboard. 4. Felt. 5. Scissors. 6. Glue. 7. Duct tape. Step 1. Prepare a plastic bottle, then cut it into 2 parts. Step 2. Cut 1 and 21 cm foam sheets.
A few moments later.
Step 3. Attach the foam sheet to the top and bottom of the bottle.
A few moments later.
Step 4. Cut 2 rectangular blocks measuring 13 and 20 cm. Then smear the first cardboard with glue and attach it to the second cardboard. Step 5. To make it neat, cover the surface of the cardboard using a foam sheet.
Step 6. Stick the bottle on the cardboard surface.
Last step, decorate the bottle according to your creation.